Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here. Remove the two fasteners securing the housing. Lift the housing and free the tabs from their catch. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AF7845 filter into the housing. Slide the tabs of the filter cover back into place and make sure that it is secure. Once the filter is fully flushed and the housing is aligned, re-engage the fasteners. Close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.